Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Audrey, and on this channel we talk about fragrances. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, and let's get into this video for today. So I was looking through my collection and I was like, I've got some gems in here. Just those, I will call them gems. They are like some little gems to me. I like them. They have a special place in my heart. Okay, so technically they're gems. Yeah. So let's get into that. And like I said, before we do that, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and let's get into it. Let's start with Siracusa or Siracusa from Gritti. I love this fragrance. You guys, I love this fragrance. This fragrance literally just smells like it smells like a spa with some greenness. It's like you're just going on a spa weekend and they have like trees around with like a waterfall and all of that. It's just so zen in there. That's basically what it smells like. What you're going to get in here is like white flowers and a little bit of vanilla. It's green. I think there's like a palm tree in here, palm tree note in here. You're just going to get like some white flowers, a little bit of vanilla, but it's not too sweet. I would say this one for like a really hot day. This is going to save your day if you're looking for something zen. Most people don't talk about this one from the brand, but I love it. I love it. It's a bit powdery as well, but it's just not, it's not too much. This is a scent that's just enough, if I would say. Yeah, it's a bit citrus and fresh and clean and basically just zen. I could just picture the person being at this, like the spa we talked about, just there relaxing, reading a book. That's what the person will smell like, and maybe the place will smell like this as well, you know. Next one is Nato Fiery Fig. I'm going to say that fragrances from Neydo, they're like hidden gems for me. I like collecting them, like all of them. I want all of them. I want to collect them like infinity stones. Okay, that's how good they are, and the bottles are just amazing. So Fiery Fig, this is a woody fragrance, but for the summer. It's like a woody fig fragrance for the summer, if I could say that. It's fruity, it has some vanilla, and basically you just have like the vanilla. I think it has coconut as well, if not milk, and the fig. What you're going to get in here is like a lactonic woody fig type of fragrance. It's really nice. It's green but also fruity at the same time. I feel like what you're going to get from this, it's basically like the fig fruit, and then you're just going to get like the tree, like it's the whole tree, like the tree, the greenness of the tree and the fruit as well. And then you're just going to get like, it's like the tree has been rained on. It's kind of like yeah, like it has been raining and the tree is like has some dew on it, if that makes sense. That's how best I could describe this fragrance. It's just amazing. I love it for the summer. I've been wearing it with another one I'm going to show you from Neydo as well, but I love it. I love it so much. If you haven't tried it, please go ahead and try it. It's a gem. Like I said, it's like a hidden gem. the whole brand is like it's like a gem. The next one is going to be Blonde Red Head from Neydo as well. This one I don't wear it in the summer. Just say for winter, this is going to shine. If you like dates, please go ahead and try this fragrance. This is basically dates, and you got the saffron in here. The saffron is like airy. It's like an airy saffron, and you have some vanilla, and then you have a fig in here. This is so good. It's sweet, but it's not too sweet to the point where you're going to be like, this is so sweet. No, it's a good amount of sweetness grounded with some raisins or myrrh. I think it's myrrh. Yeah. And you just have like, it's like some citruses as well. I would say that this fragrance is like a strawberry cake drizzled with dates. Yeah, that's basically what this one smells like. But the cake is not too sweet. Like, it's a good amount of sweetness. It's not gonna make you feel like, oh, this is so sweet, it's gonna make you feel sick. Yeah. And it has some, I would say like the cake have some dried raisins on top as well. I hope that makes sense, but that's how I would describe this scent. I love it, love it so much. If you haven't tried the brand, please go ahead and try it. It's just so amazing. Like, the whole of it is just amazing. First time I got this fragrance, it literally got me addicted. Like, every single second I wanted to smell myself. I would just go and smell the bottle of this fragrance. It has something that just kept me coming to it. Like, every time I wanted to wear it. And I think I'm running out, and it's a problem. But anyways, I'm talking about Addicted. It's in the name. From around Terence Hughes. This fragrance, for like 2 months after I got it, it had me in the chokehold. I'm not even joking. This is a boozy. Yes, I said boozy. I love me a boozy scent. A boozy vanilla with some chocolate and cinnamon. This fragrance literally just smells like Christmas time in a bottle. But it's a more grown up Christmas time. Like, they're just going to have some mulled wine. They're just doing like all the good stuff. It's a bit woody, but it's not too woody. What I mostly get from this fragrance is just like a boozy vanilla with some, like, add some chocolate and some tonka bean, and then drizzle some cinnamon on top. That's what you're going to get. And like, there's like in the background where you just mixed all that stuff together, in the background you're just there's apples, how do you say it, like when you just, yeah, there's some like apples and honey like mixed together. That's basically what I pictured this fragrance to be. Like it says, it's really addicting. Now that I've smelled it again, yeah, it's gonna be a problem. I feel like I'm gonna be wearing it like all the time. But you know, autumn is coming, so I guess it will be the right time to do that, you know. But yeah, I feel like this is a gem in my collection. I love it so much. I wish they would do like a bigger bottle, but to just do the 30 ml, but it's fine. We can make it work, okay? Speaking of chocolates, this is a gem in my collection. I sampled this fragrance and I was like, I'm gonna need a full bottle because I could not get enough of this fragrance. It's just so good. I don't see many people talking about it, but it's fine. I do not mind because I love this fragrance down. Okay. I'm talking about 1970 from Rosendo Mateu. This is a chocolate scent with some spices, like some warm spices. I would say like the cinnamons and the all of you get what I mean. It has vanilla in here. It's a bit musky as well, but it's just too good. It has some earthy notes in here, but I really don't get that. All I get in here is like a delicious chocolate with spices and vanilla, and then you have like a bit of citruses like in the top when you first spray it, but they don't last too long really. And then all you're gonna get is just like a musky, really like good chocolate and vanilla and some spices. That's basically what you're going to get. I love this fragrance so much. I would say like after like a long day, I would say like this fragrance is probably something you would want to wear, like a fragrance you want to wear which is like comforting and enveloping. Like you just want something warm to just like it literally just hugs you, if that makes sense. Please go ahead and try it. Go ahead and try it if you like chocolate and spices with a little bit of oomph. Yeah, that's all I can say. Now, if you have been here before, you know how much I love this fragrance. And I talk about it literally like every summer. And yeah, this is Buontalenti from Profumo di Firenze. This fragrance is a banana fragrance. Yes. This, okay, I would say this is like banana and some apricots, you know, like with like some apricots and other fruits mixed with vanilla. And then there's like cookie dough. If that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. And some coconut milk. Yeah. This fragrance is creamy. It's sweet, but it's a good amount of sweet. The banana in here is not too ripe, but it's like the yellow banana. It's ready to eat, basically. It's not too sweet to the point where it's going to go bad, you know. Yeah. This fragrance also has some caramel in it, which makes it nice. I don't know how to explain this fragrance, but you get what I mean. I love it so much. It has some toffee. It's like basically a mixture of like cookie dough with some coconut milk, banana, apricots. Put all of that together, bake it. That's what you're going to get. Yeah, that's best how I can explain this fragrance. I love it so much. In the summer, like if I want something fruity but not too fruity, it's going to have like a balance of like the sweetness is not overwhelming. Like basically this is like a summer gourmand. If you're looking for a summer gourmand, Buontalenti will do the job for you. Last but not least, this fragrance, I would say it's good for like a year-long fragrance. You can wear it any time of the year. This fragrance would do the job. This fragrance would just shine. It's amazing for the whole year. This is Siren and Sailors from Jusbox. I love this juice. I love it. This is a boozy, spicy vanilla with some rose in the background. The rose in here is not like really prominent, but you can smell it. It's just amazing. It's sweet, but it's not too sweet. It's like fun and flirty. This fragrance basically smells like someone who's ready to have some fun. This is the life of the party. It's a bit citrus, and at the top you're just going to get like a bit of citrus in there, but really what I get in here is like a boozy vanilla with some suede. It's musky. It's just gorgeous. This is a gorgeous scent, and you get a little bit of rose and patchouli. Great. If you want to smell like the life of the party, please go ahead and try this fragrance, because that's basically what it smells like. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have watched all the way this whole video, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you in another video. Bye.